Hello. Today, students, we are going to be talking about the book that we just read, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. Let's take a look at you and see how you're doing today. Here are our students. There's our English language learner. Here are some of our other students. So today, when we read the book, I hope you really liked it. There it is. I wanted to talk a little bit more about it. When we read our book, at the very beginning, do you remember what happened? We started out with a leaf, and on the leaf was anybody remember? Right, it was an egg. I have a whiteboard here, and we're going to draw the life cycle of our butterfly, just like it happened in the book. So the first thing we're going to do is write the word egg. That's the first part of what happens in a butterfly life cycle. We're going to draw a picture of our egg. And down here, I'm just quickly going to write the word in Spanish. Huevo. Huevo? Remember that? Huevo? Egg. Good job. Do you all want to say that too? Egg. That was the first part in our book. Here was the book. In the second part of our book, something happened to the egg. Do you remember what happened to the egg? Anyone? All right. What happened to the egg is it turned into a caterpillar. Here's a caterpillar. So for our butterfly life cycle, let's draw a caterpillar. We're just going to draw him cute like this. Here's parts of his body, and here's his head, and we'll give him a little antennas and some eyes. Those are funny looking eyes. And we're going to write caterpillar. And down here in the corner, I'm just going to write oruga. That's the Spanish word. Oruga. Caterpillar. First it was a huevo and then oruga. Does anybody remember what happened after that? Let's check our book. Right, Percy? The caterpillar turned into a chrysalis. In the book we called it a cocoon, but we're going to learn the word chrysalis. So let's write it down. Here's our chrysalis. It's got a little top to it. And there's a little caterpillar that goes inside there. And we're going to write chrysalis here. And down here, I'm just going to write that word again in Spanish. Chrysalida. 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 Butterfly, thank you so much for saying that word in Spanish for me so that I could pronounce it properly too. But chrysalida, a chrysalis. So the caterpillar was an egg and then turned into a caterpillar, and then it went into a chrysalis and made a hard shell, and then it stayed in there for a while. And what's the last thing that happened in our book? Do you guys remember? Yep, you're right. It turned into a beautiful butterfly. That's the last part of our butterfly life cycle. So here I'm going to draw a butterfly so that you guys can see it. There's my butterfly. And I'm going to write butterfly up here. And right under it, I'm going to write mariposa. Because that's that word in Spanish, mariposa. So first our butterfly was an egg, and then it turned into a caterpillar. Let's draw that. Where's that marker? There's the marker. It was an egg that turned into a caterpillar, and then it turned into a chrysalis, and then it turned into a butterfly. Isn't that amazing? I can't believe something could change so much. This whole process, the butterfly life cycle, is called a metamorphosis. And that's a huge word, but I think you guys can handle it. Let's try saying it together, okay? Metamorphosis. One more time. Metamorphosis. Yeah, I know, Flower, that was pretty hard to get that word, but that's okay. I just want you to have heard it and know what it is. So I hope that you enjoyed learning about the butterfly life cycle. You guys were great students today. Thanks for helping me draw my pictures. And butterfly, again, thank you for helping me with the Spanish words so that I could say it correctly. And you guys are amazing. So next we're going to move on to another activity where you're going to get to make this with cut paper collage.